Reviving ancient grains, the nutritional power of millets in modern vegan diets. In the pursuit of healthier and more sustainable dietary practices, millets, ancient grains that have long been staples in various cultures, are experiencing a remarkable resurgence, particularly within modern vegan diets. Known for their rich nutrient profile and versatility in cooking, millets are becoming increasingly recognized as essential components for those adopting plant-based lifestyles. As more individuals embrace veganism for health and environmental reasons, these tiny, nutrient-dense grains stand out as a natural solution to support overall well-being. Nutritional superstars, the richness of millets. Millets are celebrated for their impressive nutritional content, making them a valuable addition to any balanced vegan diet. One of their standout features is their high-quality plant-based protein. Unlike many other grains, millets provide a robust source of essential amino acids necessary for muscle building, tissue repair, and proper bodily functions. This attribute is particularly significant for individuals on a vegan diet, as they often seek alternative sources of protein to meet their dietary needs. In addition to protein, millets are rich in dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in digestive health. The high fiber content in millets promotes regular bowel movements, prevents bloating, and aids in the prevention of constipation. Furthermore, fiber contributes to lowering cholesterol levels, thereby supporting cardiovascular health. Millets also boast a diverse array of vital vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of B vitamins, including niacin, riboflavin, and folate, which are essential for energy production and optimal brain function. Additionally, millets provide key minerals such as iron, magnesium, calcium, and potassium elements that are particularly important for vegans to prevent deficiencies and maintain robust bone health, cardiovascular function, and muscle strength. Moreover, millets are rich in antioxidants, compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research has shown that millets contain various types of antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall health. Varieties of millets, diversity on your plate. Several types of millets are commonly consumed, each offering unique health benefits. Pearl millet, bajra known for its richness in iron, protein, and fiber, pearl millet supports overall health and energy levels. Finger millet, ragi high in calcium, finger millet is particularly beneficial for bone health, making it a fantastic choice for those concerned about osteoporosis. Foxtail millet, kangni with a low glycemic index. Foxtail millet is an excellent option for individuals managing diabetes or blood sugar levels. Kodo millet, kodra packed with antioxidants. Kodo millet supports heart health and overall wellness. Proso millet, china easy to digest. Proso millet is rich in B vitamins, providing an excellent energy source. Barnyard millet, salma a superb substitute for rice. Barnyard millet offers a nutritious alternative for various dishes. Sorghum, joa an excellent source of antioxidants. Sorghum contributes to a well-rounded diet. Culinary versatility, incorporating millets into meals. One of the most appealing aspects of millets is their culinary versatility. Their mild, slightly nutty flavor allows them to complement both sweet and savory dishes. Here are some popular ways to incorporate millets into your meals. Millet bowls. Create nutrient-dense grain bowls by combining cooked millets with roasted vegetables, legumes, tofu, or tempeh. For example, an amaranth nourish bowl can provide a complete meal rich in protein and nutrients. Millet porridge. Start your day with a comforting breakfast porridge made from millets, plant-based milk, fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds. Ragi porridge is a delicious way to enjoy a nutritious morning meal. Millet flour. Use millet flour as a gluten-free alternative in baking. It's perfect for pancakes, such as buckwheat pancakes, offering a nutritious twist. Millet salads. Combine cooked millets with fresh vegetables, herbs, and plant-based proteins for a refreshing and filling salad, like a foxtail millet salad. Millet snacks. Millets can be transformed into delightful snacks, from energy bars to crackers. For example, Joe-Anachni crackers are a nutritious and tasty option. The sustainable choice, millets and environmental impact. As the world increasingly turns its attention to sustainable food sources, millets emerge as a standout choice. Their cultivation requires less water and fewer resources compared to many conventional crops, making them an environmentally friendly option. Furthermore, incorporating millets into your diet not only nourishes your body, but also supports sustainable agricultural practices that are beneficial for the planet. In conclusion, millets represent a powerful comeback in modern nutrition, particularly within plant-based diets. Their high protein content, rich nutrient profile, and culinary versatility make them an ideal complement to a vegan lifestyle. By embracing millets in your meals, you are not just enhancing your nutritional intake, you are also contributing positively to environmental sustainability. As more individuals seek nutritious and sustainable food options, millets stand out as a timeless and beneficial choice, ready to take center stage in contemporary cooking.